Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at Scratch, which is the kids programming language. But if you are an adult and if you want to learn Scratch, you are welcome as well. But this language is mostly made for kids who want to start coding. This is like the best language that you can learn in order to start coding, and therefore I am going to tell you the basics. Now, here's the thing. In order to use Scratch, you have to install Scratch, and that's exactly what we are going to do today. So let's just close this one and I'll just show you how to install it real quick. So there are two methods of installing Scratch. One of them is by directly going into the Microsoft Store, which is available in Windows 10 and 11. I'm not sure about 8. I think it's also available in 8, but you have to check it. So what you can do, you can just search for Scratch there, and it will give you, one is Turbo Warp and one is Scratch. So this is basically the same thing as Scratch. You can also install this, but for now we're just going to install Scratch, and we are going to install this. So now it's like showing me open because I've already installed it, of course. But if you haven't already installed it, it will show you an install button, or maybe it will show you a get button. So you should do that. So basically install it from here. But if for some whatever reason, if you are not able to install Scratch from the Microsoft Store, maybe because you're using Windows 7 still, I don't know, whatever the reason might be, you can just use your daily browser in order to install this. So I'm just going to close everything actually. Okay, there we go. I think I have to censor a lot of that, but maybe I don't have to. I have to check what did I just delete. So what I'll do is I'll just do Scratch 3, and I'll just, oh my god, please. So there, so you just search for Scratch 3, and this actually will show you about Scratch and stuff like that. So let's just scroll down and you will see the Scratch offline editor. So there's also an online editor of Scratch. You can actually try that out, but we are just going to use an offline editor because it's way faster. It's offline, it's faster. So here also you get this option to get it from Microsoft, or you can direct download it. So I'm just going to click on direct download, and this should start downloading Scratch.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so I have installed Scratch on my machine. So now it will show me this. If you run this, it will show me this, something like this. So you can actually select one of these. It depends on your machine, depends on your whatever you want to do. So for now I'm just going to select only for me, and I'll just click on install. So just click on install, it's going to work. I don't have to install it because of that, but I will still click on the button because I can. Let's just watch it being installed, and there we go. So we can just click on finish now, and you can just check this, and you can close your browser. Now this will ask you that if you want to share your usage data. So if you want to be more private about your usage, you can definitely just click on this. But if you want to support the Scratch team, and if you want to share the usage data, they don't actually take any private data. They just see how you're using blocks, basically how often, let's say how often you're using the wait statement, how often you're using the move statement, things like that. So and this background noise is very annoying, but okay, let's just continue. So yes, you can of course do that, but if you want to stay private, you can of course do that as well. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just going to close it. And here is our Scratch editor. So we have a lot of components, and we are going to talk about that in the next video. So if you liked it, then make sure to, oh my god, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, and I'm out.